Back to my channel. Here we are going to continue with this work that we are doing, as we have been able to answer some set of questions from this particular textbook. So we are going to be working on this problem now. As we have that first angle projection, it means that the views here are drawn in first angle orthograph projection. And as we have here that a front elevation, a plan, and an incomplete end elevation of a block of wood are shown. Draw the views and complete the end elevation. Draw the views and complete the end elevation. That is the question. Alright, so what we are going to do, we not only complete the end elevation with the drawing of the views, but we go on and also draw the isometric view of the object in case you are asked to draw the isometric view of this object. Now, let's talk about the dimensions on the views. So this is the front elevation, and we have that distance from here to here is 10 millimeters, and from here to here is 30 millimeters. Then the plan, the total length from here to here is 60, from here to here is 10, and from here to here is 20. Then on the end elevation, distance from here to here is 30. Same thing applies to this. This will be 30. Alright, so we are going to make use of these dimensions to produce the given views. Then we also make the isometric view of the object. So let's go. So the first thing that we are going to do for the orthographic views here is to draw a horizontal line. So we are going to draw horizontal line here. So we draw horizontal line here. Okay, so we draw horizontal line. So here like this. So here we have the horizontal line like this, and then so we are going to take the set square. So we draw a vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line. So this is the vertical line. So we have the vertical line here. Then here we are going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this point to 30 millimeters up. This is 30 millimeters, and then so we come here and take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters here. Okay, so then at this point here we are going to draw a vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line, so here like this. Okay, then we come here and draw a horizontal line, and that horizontal line, so it goes like this and also come to this end. Okay, so and then so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so on this front elevation we take a measurement of 10 millimeters up. Okay, so 10 millimeters up, and then from this point here we take 30 millimeters to this side as we see it in the front elevation. So from this point here we are going to draw a vertical line down here. So we take a vertical line down, and then so we come here and also we draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line to this side. This, okay, we have this. All right, so then now let's go, and okay, so we need to join these 2 points. We are going to join these 2 points together. So at the same time I will make it a thick line. So from here to here, so we make it a thick line from here to here like this. Okay, so we have this. Okay, that's what we have here. All right, so then the next thing that we are going to do to draw the plan is to draw the plan. So we come down a bit from the front elevation and we draw horizontal line from here to this side. So we have this horizontal line. Okay, then we take the measurement of 20 millimeters down from this point for the plan. So this is 20 millimeters, and again, so we are going to draw horizontal line. So from here to here. Okay, we have this, and then so we are going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters from here. So this is 10 millimeters. So we are going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line from here to here. So we have this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have completed the plan. So we come back and bring out the shape on the outlines edge on the plan. So next thing that we are going to, let's draw the end elevation. So this is a point on the front elevation. So we take it 45 degrees set square. So putting it at this point here, we are going to draw a line in this direction. All right, so from each of these points where this line touches the horizontal line, we draw out of the plan. So we are going to draw a vertical line from this point here. and also at this point we draw a vertical line, so up like this, or then at this point here we are going to draw a vertical line. So we have a vertical line here like this. So having done that, so the next thing that we are going to do is to bring out the shape on the views. So for the front elevation, as we see it there in the given views, so we are going to make this line. So we make this line a thick line from here to here, and also this line, so we also make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so we have this, and then coming down here we are going to make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so and then so for this also, so we make this line a thick line from here to here, and then so for this we are going to make this a thick line from here to here, and this also a thick line from here to here. And then for this one, so as we see it in the given views, so we also make this a thick line from here to here, and this particular line here we made a thick line from here to here. So let us also make this a thick line from here to here. So we have this now. So coming to the end elevation, so what we see here, so this is how the end elevation will look. So we are going to have this one to be a thick line from here down like this, and then so this will also be a thick line. So from here down it will be a thick line, but at this point we are going to have a separate rectangle here. So this rectangle, so we come out like this. Okay, and this line, so we make it a thick line, so from here to here. Okay, and also from here to here. Okay, so we have the complete end elevation as you see it here. All right, so now so let's go and work on the isometric view of this object. Isometric view of the object. Okay, so what they want us to do is that we need to see this part here so clearly. So what we have to do is that we are going to draw a short horizontal line here. So we have a short horizontal line here like this. Okay, so with the 30-degree set square, we are going to draw a line in this direction, and then so we turn to this side, we also draw a line in this direction at angle 30 degree. Okay, then at this point here we draw a vertical line here like this. Okay, so then we are going to take some measurements. So on this side here, I will take from this point, I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters to here. This is 60 millimeters, and then coming to this side here, I will take 20. So here I will take 20 millimeters from this point to this side. So we have this to be 20. So at this point here, we are going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters of this is 30 millimeters. So at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line here, and here also I will come here and draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so this 30 that we have here, I'm going to transfer it. So I'll transfer this 30 to this side like this, and then I will also transfer this point to touch this line, and then coming to this point here, I'm going to draw a line in this direction. Then from this point, I will also draw a line to touch this. So we have this now. All right, so now, so the next thing that we are going to do is to put the feature that we have here. So we need to take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So from this point, here we have 10 millimeters up. So this is 10 millimeters. And at this point here, I'm going to take a measurement of 30. So this is 30 millimeters here. So we are going to connect these 2 points. We are connecting these 2 points together like this. Okay, we have this now. So we connect these 2 points together. So then I will come here and take a measurement of 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters to this side. Okay, so then from this point I will draw a vertical line down. So a vertical line down here like this. Okay, we have this. Then I'm going to transfer this point. So I'll transfer this point, joining it with this point here. So we join to this point like this. Okay, then I will come up here. So coming up here, so I'll come up here, I will draw a line like this. Okay, so then this I will take a measurement of 10 from this point. I'll take a measurement of 10 millimeters here. So this point and this point, we are going to join them together with a line like this. So I'm going to make it visible at once by making it a thick line, join it with my black pen. So joining these 2 points together like this. Okay, so can you see what we did here? Okay, so then there's going to be a line, so it like be a line like this. Okay, on this point, that is the line. Look at this line that we have here. So just a rectangle that goes like this. Okay, so you can see what we have. So then this line will be a thick line. Okay, so it will be a thick line like this, and this line will also be a thick line. So and then so and this line, so we are going to make this line, so make it a thick line from here to here. Okay, and this line also will be a thick line like this, and this will also be a thick line from here to here. Okay, then we are going to make this a thick line down, and this will also be a thick line down here. Okay, then this line, um, so this line from here to here will be a thick line, and then we also make this a thick line from here to here, and this line, so from here to here will be a thick line, and then so we also make this line, so make it a thick line to this end, and this one also make it a thick line from here to here. All right, so looking at what we have here, so this is the isometric view of the object as we see it there. So the front elevation, look at the front elevation. So this shape that we see here is what we have here. I mean this shape here, so is what we see here, and this shape that we have here, this is how it will look. Okay, then this shape that we have on the top view, that is the plan. So you can see, so we have it like this. So this is it, and this one, this is how it will look in the plan. And for the end elevation, if you look at it, look at the end elevation. So here we have what we have. Okay, oh, thanks for noticing this. So this is not where it's supposed to be. So this line that we have here, so this is not where it's supposed to be. So thank God that I made the isometric view. So look at the shape that we have here. So this shape has to come out. Okay, so that means this line is not supposed to be here. Okay, so it's not supposed to be here. So thank God I took note of that. So this is where it's supposed to be. So it's supposed to be here. Okay. Okay. Looking at, okay. So it's supposed to be here. So this is where it's supposed to be. Okay. So because so this end elevation is left end elevation. So this shape has to come out. This is it. Then this surface here, so it will give us this rectangle on the end elevation. So this is the isometric view, and these are the orthographic views as we are asked to produce this. As simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.